Hello everyone, my name is Paul. In this video, I'm super excited to unbox and review this particular product which I got from Amazon. And this is actually a 4K web camera. Okay folks, before buying this web camera, I'm using right now the video which you're seeing is the quality of Logitech C922 microphone, this webcam, and this is like a HD 1080p webcam, but I thought of upgrading it to a 4K because these days content creation and teaching is taking place in 4K. I have to be competitive and I need to buy a product which offers me all the features. So when I was doing all the research and when I was searching for a web camera which actually comes under my budget, which is less than 5,000 rupees, Indian rupees, I was trying to go through multiple web cameras, alright? So web cameras of eMeet, web cameras of Logitech and other companies, but guess what? They're expensive. They're very, very expensive. And obviously they will give features according to the price you pay, but I want it only specifically for teaching, so I don't want it to do anything else other than teaching and content creation. So I went on to Amazon.com. I was searching for it, and I got this particular, webcam, and this is from the edusquadz team, and it's obviously going to be really, really helpful. So let me go ahead and unbox it. So once I open it up, I got this box, folks. This is what I'm getting here, as you can see right here. This is AIWaft. This is the Waft Video Alpha Cam, sharp, smart, seamless, 4K Ultra HD webcam. It's given here, folks. And this is an incredible web camera. It's from edusquadz Technologies LLP, and then it is 6,999 rupees. Okay folks, it's written here 6,999 rupees. And you have connect smarter, collaborate better. Alright, so we have Ultra HD quality, AI autofocus, built-in microphone, 3x digital zoom, built-in privacy shutter, 81.5 distortion-free wide angle. So this is a great camera. So let me go ahead and open it. So once I open it, I'm getting something like this. So I'm getting a scan for PDF manual. So user manual, I'll get it here after scanning it. And then this one is like a QC pass, and this one is like a adapter, folks. This is for Type C, USB to Type C adapter, right? And then this is the actual camera. Obviously it's bigger than my a Logitech C922 camera, so we'll have to check. So this is actually the camera, and after that there's nothing else, I think, inside the box. So this is a camera. I got it for about 4.5K, 4.6 I'm saying, and this is going to be really helpful, folks, for my content creation and teaching. So let me go ahead and put this web camera onto there and let me check the quality. Alright, so let's see one by one how the quality looks like for this Waft 4K Ultra HD camera. This camera is going to be tested and reviewed, and hopefully you will get to know the quality. Alright, so without any further ado, let me put this in my computer and let me connect this and check how the quality looks like. Hopefully there should be some change you will notice. This is just 1080p HD Logitech C922 camera, but you just have to put this camera in check. So I have to, sort of adjust this one, slide this across. I can have this slide option here to slide this but let me go ahead and check it if it's working or not, and then I'll give my review. I just wanted to show you the setup which I've made so that I can mount this particular webcam on my laptop. I'll show you the setup. So this is the Waft 4K Ultra HD webcam which I have right now with me, alright? So this is the setup. This is my laptop. I'm gonna place it over like this, alright? Let me open this thing up and I can place it like this, folks. Alright, and backside I can adjust it. So let me place it properly. This is the webcam. I have to open it up and you have to place it like this one, folks. And so it will be there and you can adjust this. And this is how the settings look like. And this wire, folks, is connected to the laptop. This is a USB cable. So I've successfully connected the webcam. So let me now check the quality of this webcam. Right now I'm using the Waft 4K Ultra HD webcam. This is kind of the quality, and hopefully this quality is good enough. And obviously I'm testing out this quality. I feel like it's better than the previous webcam which I used, which is this one, folks. This was from the Logitech C922 webcam, but it's 1080p Ultra HD, but this one is 4K Ultra HD, so you should see an improvement in the quality, and this is kind of the quality right now. I hope that you can see the quality. This is a video for you to judge the quality of this webcam and hopefully see for yourself whether it's a good match for you. And you can also put a green screen just like this, or you can use it without a green screen, but I'm gonna show you the quality. And let me take away this webcam and show you around the quality. This is kind of the quality, okay, of this webcam. This is without the green screen. It's just a regular background. That one was with the green screen, so hopefully you get the quality, alright? Alright, so this is kind of the quality, folks, of this webcam. And let me turn off the lights and check whether the quality is good enough. Alright, folks, so I turned off the lights, and one more light I have to turn off, right? So that is this one. Let me turn this off. Oops. So this is kind of the quality at night. You can't see anything because it's not visible. There we go. This is with only one light, which is out there. But let me turn on the other lights so that you can check the quality of this webcam during the night. Alright, so let me turn on this one. There you go. So this is kind of the quality right now. Hopefully you got to know about the quality of this webcam during daytime and nighttime. And also the audio which is being recorded right now is not from this microphone. I'll give an audio test now. So right now I'm playing this audio with the help of the inbuilt audio from this particular webcam. And so hopefully you got to know about the audio quality of this webcam. and if you like it, you can go ahead and buy it. But this is the audio quality, and this webcam is really nice. You can buy it if you wanted to create online courses or educate through live one-on-one session, or even create YouTube videos. So you can do that for, if you're a content creator or online educator, you can go ahead and buy this webcam. And this is sort of the quality right now. Hopefully you got to know about the quality, and this is going to be really good for you to invest. And it's about 4.5K INR, and it's going to give you 4K features. You also need to install another application through which you can change or control these settings. I'll show you how to do that. Listen folks, you also need to download a software so that you can customize and change the brightness, the sharpness, the contrast, the saturation, and all of those different parameters in a video. So you have to head over to edusquadz.in/pages/resources. Now, edusquadz is a company which has a lot of products, and this is the product which obviously I'm reviewing. And you have to go ahead and click on this one, download now for 4K webcam, fully optimized. Download now. Click on this and download it. Alright folks. So this will download the software. You can save it in your computer. I've already downloaded it and I've installed it. You also download and install it so that you can use this software. And so after downloading and installation, you will have this particular icon here, folks, right? And so you have to go ahead and open it up. So let me go ahead and open it up, and that will open up the controls for the camera. So this is the 4K VO A cam, right? So that is the case, and if you go ahead and choose this one, folks, you will have brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, sharpness, gamma, white balance, and flicker. You can adjust these as per your wish, and it will change, alright? So you can modify it as per your wish. So now that you understand these controls, which you can manually change because of this application, you have like a forward button, a backward button, you know, and a right button, a left button. This will help you to adjust the zoom level. So let's say I'm zooming in, like right now I'm zooming in. This is how it looks when you zoom in too much, and this is far away. So it'll automatically, the camera right now is automatically adjusting. And if you want to autofocus, right, you can autofocus as well. And this is for autofocus. And you can change these settings. You can have brightness as well, increase the brightness. And so now the video is bright because we have increased it. And then contrast also, you can adjust it. So this is how the contrast looks like. It is a low contrast, this one is high contrast, alright folks? And so we'll have to balance it and keep it in the middle. This is brightness high and this brightness low, alright? So this is how it looks. And this is hue high, and this one is hue low. And then saturation, if you control saturation, this is high saturation. This one is low saturation. And this one is high sharpness. Okay, now the video quality is sharp. If you want a low sharpness, then you can have this low sharpness. And then this one is gamma. So what that means is that you can have a higher gamma, it will be more bright. And then this one is a lower gamma value. And then if you want white balance, you can set it to auto. Now this one is the auto white balance. You can also change the white balance. This is a white balance of 10,000, and this is a white balance of 1800. Okay, you can control these white balances, and you can also set to auto. And then this one is flicker. You can choose between 60 Hertz Obviously there is a flicker happening because you've chosen 60 Hz, but you have to choose 50 Hz for no flicker or minimum flicker. Now you can also reset this to the default. This is now default value of all of these different values, and then we can also flip it. This is kind of the flipped video, and this is the mirrored video. You can also mirror it. So this is a reset button which will reset it, and you can choose your camera device, and this software definitely helps as well along with this 4K Ultra HD webcam, and you can use this software for any kind of custom modification in all of these parameters. So hopefully you got to know how to use the software. And also this website will give you this webcam. Go to edusquadz and you can download this software. So hopefully you got to know about this complete webcam, and I hope that this video has really helped you to figure out whether this webcam is a good purchase for you or not. And if it is definitely a good purchase, you can go ahead and buy it for your specific use case or application. Whether you're an online teacher or an educator, or you can say content creator, this is definitely going to be useful, and you can test it out. I'll put down the link in the description of this video so that you can check it out and buy only if you're fully satisfied. And you can also buy it and test it out yourself, and if you don't like it, you can replace it or return it. This is completely up to you, but this is kind of my honest opinion about this webcam, and I hope you got to know about the video quality, the audio quality, and all of the different important features of this webcam. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you can receive latest videos from Abraham Paul. Thank you so much.